I could kind of tell when you say you sound like an adult.
Oh, it's a bunch.
My dad's jeans, then my mom's. My brother got the short side of the family, and I got the tall side. First, being tall, I can reach every shelf out.
Yeah. Okay, so this person made a grammar mistake. Instead of with you, it would with you. Or it was W-H-I-T. English number one, dang it. Yeah, I know. Sometimes I could have a lower pitch, other times I'm either having a coffee, but I drink coffee in the morning.
I'll drink coffee. Rarely in the morning, but I do.
And that is the reason we are here.
I don't. Fine.
Find a seat that has a golden label with your name on it. As we
And guess what? At school, my teachers mix me up for me to write system.
Thank you for your cooperation. I believe President AJ is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there for further instructions. The soup needs cupcakes. Put in, the soup needs an apple. Put in, soup needs an apple. Put in, soup needs watermelon. Put in, last ingredient, cupcake. Put in. Oh, it looks delicious. Everyone take a seat. We hope you enjoyed the soup. President had to leave early. He'll be meeting you again at the presidential suite. Please follow the path to the computer room. Welcome to the computer room. President will meet again at the presidential suite. We use this room to protect any cybernetic attack to our systems. Now, you must try to figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Oh, hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. I had to, get everything ready. Yeah. Anyways, as our very special gift, I'll let you sleep at my presidential bedroom. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? They should be around here somewhere. I found the keys. Great. Let's open the door. So welcome to my bedroom. I'll give you guys time to get comfy. Wow, this room is amazing. I love it. Did you decide this the other? Yep. Alright. It's nighttime already? I can't sleep. There's something about this light that scares me. By the way, I didn't add the monster. Let me add the monster right now. I can't sleep. There's something in this light that scares me. Guys? The curtain! Are we safe now? The floor! Get out to the high, quick! The fire is gone. What is happening?
face. So I got a little bite going down my stomach. I look cute. I look just like my OP now. I changed my tail. Now I have a
Hey guys, I'm going to pick up.
curly fry.
Something terrible is happening on this plane. You don't say. I really need you to get to the pilot cabin. Look. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Get closer while I do that. But be careful. The monster might still be around. After 50 seconds. Great. Everyone is here. We saw.
Oh man, with like the weirdo.
We saw that monster again. Yeah. Did he follow us here? It didn't follow you here. It made you come here again. I knew there was something wrong here.
I hope you enjoy my boogers. Sorry. I'm gonna make hearts at her. Oh look, she lost. Oh wow. Okay, she left me for a guy. Wow. No. What that? No. My heart is broken. You're gonna act like that didn't just happen.
I need you.
Okay. No. That was a joke.
The good news is I'm not just a pilot. I'm also a secret agent. And I know all about this monster. He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him.
Why is this person crying?
He liked planes. He was so obsessed with planes in a scary way. He liked to read news about plane crashes. He decided to make a plane crash himself. Look, he died of a hand attack the day he was going to do it. Now you know the story about this monster. You know, he could take any shape. He could be the agent or even the president. I'm not sure yet. Take this gun. You only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. So who's taking the shot? You only have one chance. Discover him and kill him. So who's taking the shot? I will do it. Alright, good luck. There you are. We've been looking for you. It's over. We discovered you, monster. What? Put that gun down. What are you doing? We know all about the plan to kill us.
I am like TikTok boy. Boo day.
You're making a huge mistake. We are not monsters. I don't trust you. What is that? It's the monster, Mr. President.
It's dead. It's dead.
It's been haunting us since the first trip. I wonder he made us take advantage of how to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Let's get home now. At least it's finally gone now. Finally gone. Good job, passengers. You have saved the day once again.